V-Tuf have sent me this product to review. It's the V-Tuf M-Class HSV Dust Extractor Vacuum Cleaner. Now I believe this model is going to be called the X2 because it is a slight improvement on the original Mini HSV. This video is going to be an unboxing video so we can see what arrives in the package. So I'll just show you the packaging. Now I just want to point out it says not fragile, and I hope it is because this is how it arrived. Mind you, it doesn't look like it's damaged anything inside. So just pause the video if you want to actually see what it says on the box. So I've been looking at the data sheets for the original Mini, and as far as I can see, the differences are that this new model comes with a 12-meter cable instead of a 5-meter cable and a very slightly different tool kit. So the tools are very slightly different on this as well, and I'll try and point that out as I go through the video. Okay, so I've taken everything out of the box. As you can see, this is the vacuum itself. It's got a 15-litre capacity, just in case you're wondering. And it's also fitted with a bung so that you can actually remove the hose and put this bung in to prevent dust from getting out and affecting your lungs. That's why it's an M-Class vacuum cleaner, because it's designed to actually protect your lungs. Now this is a 12-meter cable, and this is an improvement on the original 5-meter cable. It's got a stainless steel wand that comes in 3 sections, a universal power tool adapter, a round horsehair brush, an upholstery brush, a high volume crevice tool. As you can see, that is a high volume crevice tool, a hard floor sweeper head, and a combination hard floor and carpet sweeper head as well. These 2 heads, along with the cable, are what make the X2 different from the original. The vacuum comes with 5 dust bags and obviously the hose, and when you empty the box you can't see them, and there's a reason for that, and that is because they're packed inside the dust extractor. So I'll pull this off. There's 3 clips on that just lifts out. This is the hose, and it extends to 5 meters, and then also inside the vacuum we've got the dust extractor bags, 5 of them, and an operator manual. There you can see the business end of the vacuum with the M-Class filter. So that is everything that comes inside the box. I realise I might have sounded a bit vague about the difference between the X2 and the original Mini, but that is because I don't have all the information at hand, and I do believe that this model, the X2, will be coming on the market very shortly. So if I've got anything wrong, I do apologise about that. I hope you found this useful. Please take care, and thank you for watching.